How to face unlock on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily face unlock your Android phone. So just to let you know that there are basically two different types of face unlocking system. One is the basic 2D face unlock, which you're going to find on most regular Android phones, but there's a secure version of face unlock which you'd find like Pro series Google Pixel phones. For example, this is Pixel 8 Pro and I'm recording with Pixel 10 Pro, and I know that these phones have a secure version of face unlock, and this one makes it much more secure because it has dedicated hardware. For example, IR sensor, depth mapping, and you can even unlock your apps, and you can unlock your payment system. So that's much more secure than other regular version of face unlock. But the process should be the same, how to use this feature on your phone, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So the first thing, we're going to have to open the settings. So let's go to settings, and this is Pixel 8 Pro, and here I'm going to click on the settings button, which is right here, and then you're going to get this menu. So just type here face unlock. So I'm going to type face unlock. Okay, so once you type in face unlock, then you're going to see here face unlock, and you can just click right here, and then it's going to ask you to enter your password or device pattern password, which I'm going to do, and you have to do on the same thing. So once your face unlock is open, then here you're going to see these options. Now here you can see that I already created a face unlock, so that's why I already have here face. But if you're here for the first time, then once you click here, and then is going to give you all the options of what you need to do. So basically this is the page where you're going to be setting up your face unlock, and that's very easy and simple thing to do. And you can share some other options, but this is the page you're going to be setting up your first time face unlocking. So that's how you use face unlock on your Google Pixel phone or Android phones. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.